DHL Consulting is a truly flexible work environment, both in terms of locations, but also in terms of schedule. This means I get to plan my days based on the project needs and my personal preference, which sometimes means that I get to work early during the day, do some personal stuff, and then go back to work at night. Of course, this also means that I get to work from my hometown in Barcelona, where I used to spend some time and also enjoy family time. This means, of course, we need to think through our moments that matter, so those moments that we want to work physically together. For me, this is especially important at the beginning of the projects, where we get to meet each other and see how we work together as a team. Internationality. We have over 25 nationalities here at DHL Consulting and even more at group level. Teamwork, so you will get to be part of a team from day one and have early responsibility and client interactions. Lastly, really cool topics. Being the management consulting of one of the most international companies in the world means that you get to work in really cool and relevant topics every day. Professionally wise, I work on a project to define the digitalization program at DHL Supply Chain, which is now a really recognized program. And personally wise, it was my first carnival party at DHL Consulting, where I realized that I would have friends for life.